Absolutely safe and reliable. A rapid loader, close shooter, hard hitter. The most marvelous value ever presented for the money. The simplest and handiest automatic pistol made. It's automatically safe with no external safety devices to forget and cannot be fired without a full pull of the trigger. Mr. Trapper, you need this pocket pistol in your business. Okay, so what are we talking about here? We are talking about the Mossberg Brownie Pistol. This is a 4-barrel pistol with a rotating firing pin. Each time you pull the trigger, the firing pin rotates to the next position and fires the next barrel. It is rifled, each barrel, and the way you open this, you just press on the back and it opens to load. And just so you see here, you've got 4 barrels. And these were made back in the 1920s. And the patent date on this one is actually July 27th, 1920. This is an old girl. We're gonna shoot her with just standard velocity ammunition. I've got some Aguila Super Extra. These are 40 grain projectiles. All right, so as you can see, it evidently has some light primer strikes. Well, actually, shoot. Look at these, hopefully this will focus for you. I don't know why they're not going off, but those are some incredibly hard primer strikes, maybe because it got hit so many times. Let's try another 4 rounds, see if this loosens up. I just recently acquired this. To unload, I'm borrowing the pokey stick from the Heritage Barkeep and just popping those rounds out with it. Loading's a straightforward affair. Just take your cartridges and put them in each chamber. And that's it. And shut her and she is ready to go. I hope y'all like seeing the Mossberg Brownie. Let me know what you think of it. Anyone who has watched my channel for a while knows my fondness for old Mossbergs, and this falls right in there, and I just love them. I want to thank you for watching, and check out future videos. We'll do a Muzzle Blast Monday with this one sometime soon. Thanks again.